Welcome back to Car Alerts, where we bring you in-depth car reviews. And today, we have a true game-changer in the world of minivans. Say hello to the 2026 Toyota Sienna. This isn't just a family vehicle. Toyota has redefined what a minivan can be, combining style, technology, performance, and efficiency into one sleek package. Whether you're a family looking for the perfect road trip companion or someone who wants a spacious, fuel-efficient ride, this Sienna has a lot to offer. Stay tuned as we take a deep dive into everything you need to know. Toyota has really stepped up the exterior design of the Sienna, and the front end is a testament to that. The large, aggressive grille gives it a bold presence, blending seamlessly with the sculpted hood and sharp LED headlights that now have a slimmer, more futuristic design. Toyota's new emblem sits right at the center of the grille, and depending on the trim level, you'll get different grille finishes, from chrome accents to a sportier blacked-out look. The daytime running lights create a striking signature, especially at night, making sure the Sienna turns heads no matter where it goes. The bumper design has been refined for better aerodynamics, helping with both efficiency and performance. Walking over to the side, Toyota has continued with a sleek and modern approach. The floating roof design adds a premium feel, and the sculpted lines give it a dynamic, almost SUV-like stance. The doors are large, making entry and exit incredibly easy, and for 2026, Toyota has improved the power sliding doors with a hands-free feature. Just swipe your foot underneath the sensor, and they glide open effortlessly. The side mirrors are aerodynamically shaped, reducing wind noise and improving fuel efficiency. The alloy wheel options range from stylish 18-inch designs to sporty 20-inch ones, depending on the trim level. The overall side profile looks balanced and well-proportioned, giving the Sienna a modern and refined presence. At the back, the Sienna continues its sleek and futuristic design language. The LED taillights are now more elongated, wrapping around the sides to give a wider, more substantial look. Toyota has integrated the spoiler beautifully into the design, not only enhancing aerodynamics but also adding a sporty touch. The rear bumper has been reshaped for a more sculpted and premium feel, and just like the power sliding doors, the tailgate now comes with a hands-free function, making loading groceries or luggage incredibly convenient. The exhaust is neatly tucked away, maintaining a clean and sophisticated rear profile. Interior. Stepping inside, the first thing you'll notice is how spacious and upscale the cabin feels. Toyota has used high-quality materials throughout, with soft-touch surfaces, premium leather options, and elegant stitching that give the interior a luxury-like appeal. The dashboard layout is modern and functional, with a massive 14-inch touchscreen infotainment system sitting right in the center. The screen is crisp, responsive, and packed with the latest software, including wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The fully digital instrument cluster provides clear and customizable information. And Toyota's latest voice command system allows you to control everything from navigation to climate settings just by speaking. The center console has been redesigned for better usability, featuring a floating design that opens up extra storage space underneath. The gear shifter is now electronic, giving a sleek and minimalistic look while freeing up more room. There are multiple USB-C charging ports throughout the cabin, along with a wireless charging pad that's conveniently placed for easy access. Toyota has also introduced an upgraded JBL premium sound system that delivers crystal-clear audio, making road trips even more enjoyable. The seats are well cushioned and supportive, with heating and ventilation available for both the driver and front passenger. The ambient lighting system adds a touch of elegance, creating a cozy and relaxing atmosphere, especially at night. Moving to the second row, this is where the Sienna truly shines. The available captain's chairs with extendable footrests provide an almost first-class travel experience. The seats are incredibly comfortable, with heating and cooling options available in higher trims. The panoramic sunroof floods the cabin with natural light, making the space feel even more open and airy. Rear passengers get their own climate control system, sunshades for added privacy, and an entertainment system with built-in streaming apps, ensuring that long trips are more enjoyable for everyone on board. The third row remains spacious and functional. Toyota has designed it with family practicality in mind, ensuring that even taller passengers can sit comfortably. The one-touch fold flat system allows you to easily reconfigure the space for cargo or additional seating. Whether you need room for luggage, sports equipment, or extra passengers, the Sienna offers the flexibility you need. Performance under the hood. Toyota continues to impress with its efficient and powerful hybrid powertrain. The 2026 Sienna is powered by a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine paired with electric motors, delivering a combined output of around 245 horsepower. This setup not only provides smooth acceleration but also ensures excellent fuel economy, with an estimated 36 miles per gallon combined. The ECVT transmission keeps the ride smooth and seamless, making city driving and highway cruising effortless. The available all-wheel drive system adds extra confidence, especially in snowy or rainy conditions. Toyota has also fine-tuned the suspension system for a more comfortable and composed ride, making long journeys more enjoyable for both the driver and passengers. Behind the wheel, the Sienna feels surprisingly agile for a minivan. The steering is responsive, and the handling is well balanced, making it easy to maneuver in tight spaces. The adaptive cruise control works seamlessly, maintaining a safe distance from other vehicles while reducing driver fatigue on long highway drives. The braking system has been improved for better stopping power, ensuring that the Sienna remains controlled even when fully loaded with passengers and cargo. Toyota continues to lead in safety, and the 2026 Sienna is packed with advanced driver assistance features. Standard safety features include adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, and automatic emergency braking. Higher trims offer a 360-degree camera system, making parking and maneuvering in tight spaces much easier. With these features, Toyota ensures that safety is a top priority for families. Pricing for the 2026 Sienna starts at around $38,000 for the base LE model, offering an impressive range of features. The axle trim, which adds premium interior materials, power sliding doors, and a larger infotainment system, starts at approximately $42,000. The limited trim, featuring leather upholstery, heated and ventilated seats, and an upgraded sound system, comes in at around $48,000. The fully loaded platinum trim, with all the luxury and tech features, reaches around $53,000. Given Toyota's reputation for reliability and resale value, the Sienna remains a solid investment for families looking for a long-lasting and practical vehicle. So, what's the final verdict? The 2026 Toyota Sienna takes everything great about minivans and makes it even better. It offers a stylish design, a high-tech and comfortable interior, outstanding fuel efficiency, and Toyota's legendary reliability. Whether you need a family vehicle or just want a spacious and efficient ride, the Sienna delivers on all fronts. What do you think of the 2026 Toyota Sienna? Is it the perfect minivan for you, or would you consider something else? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more in-depth car reviews from Car Alerts. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.